And 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. Got it?
Got it.
I didn't have it, so let's do it again. Here we go. 5. Hi. So you want to learn about the 8 count and how I came up with it? Well, in dance, we have what's known the 8 count. And the 8 count is normally done in a series. But I've come up with this nail the 8 count to teach you to learn the 8 count. And because it trains the body and it trains the mind if you do it. I believe if you do it in 4 tries. But 4 tries will really kind of hone you in learning how to train yourself how to pick up choreography. A little bit of a challenge. So here we go with nail the 8 count. Throw away arms, kick cross, kick cross. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Count it out. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's